call to action here, 3 moves to start now, plus how to make them stick, not make you sick, which is the other part. Start with AppGov Score, go run it, free assessment, gives you information. Look at operationalizing the hygiene, review these expirations routinely. It's not a once a set and forget. Please do that. Shift to better identity patterns. We've still got 10 minutes, I can talk slower. Shift to better identity patterns. This is an identity management show. We always talk about these things. You need to treat all identities as the same. Yes, you've MFA'd non-phishing, phishing-resistant MFA your end users, and those are the people you care about, and you care about their desktops. But you need to also start caring about the non-human identities, and that includes managed identity service principles and the secrets and the certs that they contain. Make it repeatable. We talked about the MARP approach. You should adopt MARP as your prime directive when it comes to identity management. Measure the progress, track it over time. It's vitally important because even though you start today, tomorrow someone's going to do it again. So you need to have some sort of governance in place, right? And then also, give app owners the steps and the reasons why governance is important inside of the organization.